Hey everyone, Dave Cook, D'Franco Painting and Wallpaper, and we're doing some painting today. And as you can see, they're having some fun trying to remove a mirror from a wall. So they've taken 3 different ones off so far. We had one in a hallway over here. So we'll get that off, and then there's one more on the opposite side. This one's been a little bit more of a trick, but they're getting there. So we'll be painting the ceilings, we'll be painting the walls, and then there's some drywall repairs. So it's not a ton. All the hooks are going to be coming off. You can kind of see the stress crack there. And then we got the drywall seam on the corner, and this corner there, it's pretty beat up, that's coming off. So now they're gonna, we're gonna tape off more of the mirror, so that way if it does break, the tape itself will prevent the mirror from splintering all over the place. At least it'll stay together. We found that a couple times. I'm sure it's online too, but I don't know. At least this works to kind of help it stay together. It prevents it, so if it, as we're peeling off that, if it splits, it's just gonna fall down instead of springing through the whole side of the house and glass shattering all over the place. So they've had that black mirror caulk plus 2-sided tape. The mirror caulk comes off really great. This 2-sided tape stuff, not so much. So they've had a real chore trying to get the something behind there. So we're using drywall knives to kind of get between the wall and the mirror to kind of break the seal of that drywall, the double-sided tape. So there's a couple bigger ones where it had tape right in the middle where you couldn't access it, so one of them they broke. So we're kind of hoping that this one, it just has the double-sided tape just on the edges, so that way once Jose finishes prying between the wall and the mirror, it'll just come right off. We don't have to worry about trying to break it. We had a small one here that broke. So we're gonna see if this thing breaks or if it comes off clean. We're actually doing a sheen finish on the wall. We're doing a matte finish, not flat, but a matte, so it has a little bit more of a shine than traditional flat. A little different. We don't do that all the time, but that's what they wanted. It should look pretty cool though, because it's all the same color, so it'll go over really well. We're using Sherwin-Williams Super Paint because that has the sheen that they're looking for. So it's really difficult when you're looking at sheens. Look at that, popped it off. Sometimes the sheens between all the different levels, it may say flat and one is flatter than the other, or one says eggshell and the eggshell is maybe a satin. So it's really kind of difficult when you're picking sheens. So make sure to go to the store and look at the sheen charts if you're unsure. So there you go, removing some mirrors before we paint. Got questions about painting prep, how we can help you improve your home, give us a call at D'Franco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in.